Uyu niguo mwaka uria uri na arutwo anini muno makanjiirwo kigeranio gia kcse. Kuringana na Minstry wa githomo wa Mohammed, bururi ukinyite haha kumana na unyitaniri gatagati ka honge itiganite gutigirira kigeranio gitinayo.
knec has cancelled results for 100 candidates. We have also withheld results of some centers, of some examination centers. These centers will be notified of this decision as soon as the results are released.
Arutwo aria makanjiirwo kigeranio na kuhana ro uguo ni mekuheo mweke wa gwitetera na riboti iguru ria thuthuria wa gukanjwo gwa kigeranio kia arutwo aya ikaniririrwo muthia wa mweri wa mbere mwaka turorete wa 2019. Hindi ya kigeranio giki maratathi maigagwo container-ini itiganite icigo itiganite bururi-ini na gutire iratathi ria hingurirwo mbere yo ugu aria maire thutha wa container ici kuhingurwo.
During the examination process, ladies and gentlemen, 191 people, including candidates, were arrested and they were arraigned in court for various examination offences. Some 56 cases are still pending in court.
Minstry ya githomo ni ikoretwo igitabanio thuthuria makiria iguru ria ikundi iria ciumbite iteithagiriria arutwo kuiyagira kigeranio na thuthuria uyu ni ugite na maciaro.
I wish to announce that this spirited battle against the cartels hit a crescendo this year when the Ministry, together with the Interior and National Coordination of Government Ministry, arrested 6 masterminds of examination cheating who had been on the run for more than 6 years.
Kuma riria kanju ya igeranio knec yanitirie mukanda hari wici wa igeranio, arutwo aria magiaga grade A ni manyihire na gikiro kinene na thukuru imwe iria ciari ngumo kumana na kuhituka kwa arutwo ao igithira mayo. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Muriuki wa Mucoki.